Well, hey guys, and welcome to another day with the Country Bear Tours. We're currently over here, guys, at the Boardwalk area. Now, the Boardwalk Resort is over here, which is actually the Boardwalk and the Boardwalk Inn. And if you guys follow the camera on around, you do see the Friendship boat that's pulling out. That's going to actually take you over to either EPCOT or Hollywood Studios. But as you guys are panning around, you come into Swan, you got the Dolphin, you got the Swan Reserve. That's the new hotel that Walt Disney just built down here.
And that's right over there.
Yep, and then you've got the Yacht Club over here where this boat's actually leaving, and then you've got the Beach Club. Now, next to the Beach Club in the back, you have the Beach Club Villas, guys. So that's another resort that's a Disney vacation club. Hopefully the Yacht Club does get that. Now, in the middle, they do have that, it's a sunken shipwreck, and that's a slide on top that takes you over to the big pool. And the pool's gonna share the Beach Club and the Yacht Club, and it's the only pool on property with a sand bottom, guys. So if you guys get an opportunity to check that out, at least get over there and check it out. Now, if you guys keep coming around, over on this corner right here, if you could spin that camera around, Bub, right in that entrance where the people are in the bridge over there, that takes you right on over to EPCOT. So this is the back entrance
the trees right there
into EPCOT, guys. But right now, here's a really good look at one of the boats. This boat here is heading over to EPCOT. You can tell because he's over here, and it looks like he's actually ready to drive up onto the land with how close he is. But he's gonna go right around the corner, right underneath the bridge, and then there's a little landing station where he's gonna come in and dock. So it's actually a short boat ride right from here over to the boardwalk. And then the boardwalk also has the second boat, which takes you out, and it makes one stop over here at the Yacht Club, one more stop where this guy's going, one more stop over at the Swan Dolphin Swan Reserve, which is actually just a Swan and Dolphin. And then there's a little waterway behind this boardwalk here. There's a waterway that's going to take you right on over to Hollywood Studios, guys. Now, if you guys are looking to visit this area, this is a good time. Not a lot of people out there during the day. So if you guys are looking to get over here, you can see there's really not too many people walking around. My advice, hold off, guys. Get over here at nighttime. All the boardwalk comes to life, guys. It lights up with everything. All the boats light up that go through. The Swan and Dolphin, that's all lit up. The Swan Reserve's lit up. You got all the beach and yacht clubs lit up. Everything comes to life, and it really looks 10 times better. And you've got the little game section to finish out the whole boardwalk theme. You've actually got the games out on the boardwalk. So all this comes to life at nighttime, guys, and this is our favorite time to come over here. And if you guys look, they've got the bikes over there. Now, this is the only place you're going to be able to rent them over here, but you rent them and you can go right around the entire boardwalk. So the boardwalk starts here. You're bringing a bike right around through here, right as Morgan's pointing also. You're going to come right around. It's all going to go right up here in this corner over that bridge. You're going to make a 90, come down here, go right in front of the Beach Club, right in front of the Yacht Club here, go right on around all the way over to that bridge in the back. That's kind of like a really high bridge there, guys.
That one's
so you're
going to take some pedaling.
Yes, it will. Actually, the lady before was actually pushing her bike up. But it comes up, and right behind the dance hall, there's a little 90 right there that brings you, that's the back entrance into the boardwalk. So they got a big sign.
Down right
it comes
back
right
there.
on down. In the middle there where the people are walking, and right on down, and you're going to turn that in. Otherwise, if you guys don't want to do the bike, this is a beautiful place at nighttime. If you've got nothing to do, just walk around the entire boardwalk. It's really beautiful to see it. And the cool part is, if you guys are coming in from another resort, you can actually walk as you're walking, stop, and where you see all the Christmas decor right up the walkway, they got all the poles decorated for Christmas. On the yacht and the Beach Club are both lit up. Now, in the Beach Club, they do have the gingerbread carousel set up over there, guys. So if you guys want to check that out, that is the Christmas gingerbread carousel. Over in the Yacht Club, they do have the big gingerbread lighthouse. They do have a tree set up over there, and they also have the train set up over there. So they got that little train city over there, and that's really beautiful to check that out. If you guys keep your eyes posted on our channel, we're going to have it out there in the website, countrybeartours.com. Check it out at the Yacht Club. If you don't see it there, go into the shorts. You'll see it on our shorts, guys. We're going to keep all that posted to keep it all up to date on everything. But when you guys walk out of there, if you guys decide you want to stay in there and walk around the Yacht Club, you're more than welcome to. And they also got a general store shop in the Yacht Club and in the Beach Club. Now, these are themed just for these resorts, guys. So when you guys are in there, the Beach Club, you're going to find Beach Club resort shirts and stuff like that, hats in there. Yacht Club, That's the only place you're going to find that. You're not going down to Disney Springs and buying something from the yacht club. It's only in the yacht club. So I always love to check out each individual resort to see what they have to offer. Now the only thing is, when you guys get behind on the beach club, they've got the beach club villas. That's actually just a bunch of rooms, and they share off of the actual beach club. So if you guys go in here, everything on the beach club villas uses the stores and all the arcades and everything inside the beach club. You're going to use it and just have the rooms in the beach club villas. So that's pretty much set up like that. And then another comparison to that would be the Boulder Ridge Resort over at the Wilderness Lodge. It's a smaller resort built back in the day behind the Wilderness Lodge, and they use all the stores and shops of the Wilderness Lodge, but you're going to use that place just for sleeping in there. So once again, as you guys are making your way around, you're more than welcome to go in, check out the stores and shops. You can see what pools they have, and this guy's got quite a many pools in here. The yacht club has got their main pool over here, and then as you guys are seeing the boats here, if you guys are over here, the boats are all changing their themes. So this one's been recently painted. It's got the red up on top, you got the blue, you got the red, and you're seeing a lot more of these guys come to life. So these boats, they're only a couple-minute ride, guys. So if you want to get in line, jump on them. It's one of the good things in Disney. It's free to everybody to ride, and they're really fast. So if you want to go, instead of walking all the way around here to EPCOT, you can just jump on the boat. It's another entrance point into EPCOT, and it's kind of cool. It makes you feel like you did something different. Like all the years I used to go over to Magic Kingdom, in the beginning I always rent on the monorail with everyone else, and then I found out about the resorts. So then I started going over to the Wilderness Lodge and taking the boat over to the Magic Kingdom. I loved it because it's something nobody did, nobody knew about, and it's just, it makes you feel all that much different when you're going into the resorts and stuff like that, and in the theme parks, because it's something nobody did, and that's what you want to do when you're out on your vacation. But once again, at nighttime, this is going to be my best advice to get out here. Me and the kids love walking around and stuff like that. This is the only, once again, sand bottom pool on property. It's a humongous, the Stormalong Bay pool, it's a humongous pool over here, guys. You've got deep sections, shallow sections, whirlpool sections. You've got little kiddie sections in there. The thing just goes on. And if I'm not mistaken, it goes right from the big thick tree, probably right in front of the main entrance in there, right to the right, and it goes all the way over to these red umbrellas at the beach club, to give you an idea how big and vast that swimming pool actually is. But it's one of them things you want to see. During the daytime, it really doesn't do a lot of these resorts any justice. Nighttime, everything pops. And just like walking down these main alleyways going into the back of the resorts, guys, there's nothing like that feeling. You're walking up in, it's just incredible. Even though you're not staying there, you just walk in, checking it out, visiting, shopping there, going out, getting some lunch or whatever. It's still an awesome feeling to walk up in there and stuff like that. And it's a nice kill to time. If you guys got a little bit of time on your hands, it's a nice walk. Once again, you're walking all the way around this like lake here, so it's kind of cool to do something like that. So that would be my advice. But we're spending the day over here today. We got a lot of video shooting that we're going to be going into the beach club yet. We got a lot of shooting up in there, and if you guys haven't had the opportunity, keep posted with a lot of our shorts right now. We're doing a lot of the shorts, and we're trying to get you guys to identify where you guys are looking at, where we are hiding in the resort. So a lot of times we'll be in the resorts, we're going to be in the parks. You get to identify where we are, see if you're able to pinpoint the location. So some of the new people out there, there's going to be some easy stuff so you guys can try to locate where we are, what resort, by the background. Some of the ones that are more familiar with Disney, keep an eye out, and you're going to see, look at the artwork, look at the carpeting on the floor, look at the door jambs, and that'll give you a better idea of where we are or where we're hiding. And anytime you guys get that right, we will give you guys a shout out in one of our videos and stuff, so don't be afraid to comment down below. We'll give you a shout out one of the videos, and we'll send you guys a link or let you know where your name is posted, guys, so you guys will get an opportunity to see that. But we're gonna call it quits for here for now. We'll see you guys in a little bit, and stay posted, guys. See you on the next one.